Welcome to GB Automobile 237, the channel where innovation meets passion for vehicles. Today, we take you to Normandy, a region at the heart of a technological breakthrough that could revolutionize the future of global transportation. Imagine an engine capable of propelling a truck without a drop of fossil fuel, running only on air. Yes, you heard that right, compressed air, a bold concept that is becoming reality. Thanks to the screw and the genius of a French engineer, the compressed air engine, an idea that may seem futuristic, is establishing itself as a credible alternative to traditional fuel developed by Geiger, a French inventor. An engineer, this engine uses air compression to generate sufficient mechanical energy to move a vehicle, and in this case, an entire truck. Imagine a world where CO2 emissions from transport are reduced to zero, where polluting engine noise gives way to silence, and where operating costs are significantly reduced. This is no longer a dream, it is a reality that is coming to life in Normandy. How does this engine work? The principle is relatively simple, but extremely effective. Formidable air is compressed in high-pressure tanks. When released, it quickly expands, which results in a mechanism similar to a piston in a conventional engine. This technology, already successfully tested on light vehicles, is now being applied to trucks thanks to ingenious adaptations. Local companies such as Motor Development International (MDI) are at the forefront of this innovation and are working tirelessly to perfect these systems. The advantages are impressive. Not only do these engines significantly reduce the environmental impact, but they also promise huge savings for transporters. No more need for fuel, HP, and polluting. A simple recharge of compressed air is enough, and this recharge can be produced from renewable energy, such as wind or solar, making the whole process entirely ecological. But then why is this technology not yet ubiquitous? The challenges remain numerous. The autonomy must be increased, the infrastructure for recharging with compressed air must be developed, and the oil industry, which dominates the sector, views this revolution with a dim eye. However, things are moving. Prototypes of trucks equipped with compressed air engines are already being tested on the roads in Normandy, and the results are promising. Could this engine shake up the global transport industry? Absolutely. The major manufacturers are starting to pay attention to this French innovation, and it could well be that this small revolution becomes the global standard in the decades to come. It would be a major victory for the planet and for regions like Normandy, which would then place itself at the center of this historic transformation. Before concluding, tell us what you think of this technology in the comments. Is that could this type of engine replace current solutions such as electric or hydrogen? And above all, remember to subscribe to GB Automobile 237 so as not to miss our next content on automotive innovations that are changing the world. If you like this video, do not hesitate to put a like to support us and share this incredible discovery around you. Together, let's make this revolutionary engine known to as many people as possible. See you soon for new, fascinating discoveries on GB Automobile 237.